So we have the Manning Cup leading goal scorer Kimarly Scott with us. A prolific striker, I have to say, very, very hard working. I know I disappointed today, but can you just tell us what you think about the game today?
Well, it was a good game. I gotta give credit to the catching team. They fight a lot too, and I want to thank my teammates to fight a lot with us to throw the game too.
Today, catching doesn't concede a lot of goal. They don't really concede a lot of goal, but you end up still end up to find the back of the net. How pivotal is it to a team to have a striker like you who consistently find the back of the net?
Well, it's really good because we train a lot and we try to wear down team with goals because as you can see we always don't score in only one match.
Yeah, so, that's the champion.
Yeah, so
yeah, a little bit disappointed about your frustration.
Yeah, so yeah. It's a good one.
So overall, what do you think about your season? You think you had a really good season? I think there's a lot to work on and stuff.
Yes, it's a good season because what I wanted, that's what I get this season because the coaches trained me very well just to be the leading goal scorer or to score so much goals. So.
Did you want to hit the 30? Did you want to hit the 30 barrier?
Yes, I did, but it is what it is.
You have more match now, man. You have more match to come, man. One thing I like the positivity. When you guys, at least you lost and you realize that, you know what, players' heads were down, you start clapping and saying, you know what, we did our best. How important of a leadership role you play in the team?
Well, we got a lot of leaders, but I'm one of them who talk a lot. A lot of leaders on the team, but they seems the one to be like the most quiet. But I'm the one who more vocal on the team, so I use it to motivate the players.
All right. Congrats again here. Big performance. Wonderful season. Bless up.